Okay, we're at one of 13 properties for King County Housing Authority. This one's called Windsor Heights Apartments. Asphalt replacement, there's striping, and some curb replacement as well. Here's your total square footage of asphalt, 46,528 square feet. 3-inch asphalt, 50 lineal feet of extruded curb to remove and replace. There are 4 locations of curbing. As you can see, this map's marked pretty well in red where the asphalt repairs are for all 4 locations. Then you see the 8 feet of curb there, 20 feet of curb, 11 feet and 11 feet. These curbs that are being replaced will also need to be painted red. So figure there's going to be 50 feet of red painted curb to come back and do at some point. Okay, here's the quantities for striping. The speed bumps, they are a 4-inch tall speed bump plus your 3 inches of asphalt. So you're looking at 7 inches. I'm going to start down here at the end of this property. Down this long stretch here on patch number 4, 16,000 square feet. It's real tricky. Oh, and by the way, we'll catch on these stall numbers too. This raises up a little bit. It's kind of lifted up to the concrete carports here. But along this stretch, there's about 5 catch basins. These catch basins, you'll see, have a sharp angle that comes down to the catch basin. It's pretty nasty potholes in here. As you can see, there's some potholes there. I tried to fill them up with gravel at one point, but I think we need to bring some more gravel in to compact in those areas. Catch basin right here, plus this concrete pad that we got to work around. As you can see, a lot of scrapes here because this takes a steep incline. Steep incline up to the sidewalk, up to the next level. You've got box there. Along this stretch, you've got a couple more, and I'll take you up there. One other thing to mention back here in this corner of the property, which is where I'm parked at right now. The asphalt's probably the better shape of all the asphalt that's in here. But you have another catch basin here. And you've got a basketball pole to work around. Okay? Oh wait, scratch that. I take that back. You do not need to include this area. So where it shows on the map here to do this boxed in area, you do not have to do that. There's going to be a boundary line ending right there. That's the end point right there. And it's marked. All the areas are marked with asphalt out here. So we're going to stop patch number 4 right here at the corner of the building. Here's some of the failed asphalt that's marked on the map. 6x8, it needs to be painted red. There's parking stalls here on the side that we'll need to do. Stall numbering all along the side of the building here. Another concrete area to work around here. Got sewer lid here, manhole cover there. And all up against these curbs here. We'll have to replace this asphalt, and you'll see there's no drains down here. It kind of drains down into their landscaping. Okay, so there's a correction on the stall numbers. There's 125 sets of stall numbers. 125. Okay, this is marked off here as patch number 2. Patch number 2, you'll see, goes all the way up the road, up to the entrance. This entrance right here is a little, or this drive aisle here is a little tricky because there's some speed bumps to have to replace, which I have marked on here. I've got 36-inch wide and 12-inch wide speed bumps in here. But when we go to do this area, this one will be a lot of fun because you've got this drive aisle here that goes over to some parking. Now, if we block this all off here, up and down this drive aisle, they can use the fire lane around the building to exit out of here. So traffic can be detoured from up top, around the buildings, and down into this section. So if you're looking at this drawing here, they can come into the entrance, take a right, head down the back of the building, and then get over to that parking area, which is what you see here. Okay, so more water line or water mains boxed up here. We've got catch basins up there, and I'll show you. Okay, I apologize, but I had to make another correction on the stall count. It's 75. The cross hatching is 320 feet, and the sets of stall numbers of 135. I also had to add a 12-inch yellow no parking stencil, and that's for this area number 3 that you see marked. Number 3 is right here on the map, coming down the hill from there, entering into here. You've got stall striping and numbering, and the asphalt repair ends where that Honda SUV is. Of course, they got the end of asphalt repair number 3 right there marked. Okay. Another catch basin in this area. I think I counted in this whole property a total of about 30 different catch basins, water mains, concrete lids, boxes, you name it. A lot of stuff to work around. Okay, I'm at the top of the property, which is up here on the map. Just head out here. There we go, get into focus. There's some parking across the street that we could use. There's parking along the fence up here at the top. I think to avoid street use permits and all that, we use the property here, and since there's so much of it being blocked off for asphalt repairs and all that, I don't think we're gonna have a problem in your parking. But this is a huge slope that goes downhill, and like I said, there's a ton of catch basins and little water main lids and lids down there. There's 2 different size speed bumps in here, but everything is marked off. So it's marked off and it lines up with what's on the map here. So any other questions, let me know. Thanks.